Hello friends. So today we will learn how to allow policy rule ACL in Fortigate Firewall. So here we will allow the source MAC address based policy. So this is our next topic which we will cover in this video. So this is very useful when like user is having a mac address, like it is running DHCP, so IP is getting changed each day. So we can allow user mac based policy as well. So it is very useful when like user is configured with DSCP and they wants to access the internet. So in that case, like DSCP IP, it will change whenever this laptop will restart. So for that one, we will allow that source like source mac address based policy. To configure that one, we will go under we will go on Fortigate, and then we will go in policy. Then we will go on an address. Here we will click address. Now we will put user mac address uh, mac address hyphen 40. So this is from 40 subnet. We will allow that one. Here we will select the device mac address now. So we have to put the mac address. So checking the mac address, if we will go here, and in that here if we will put IP config and hyphen all. So we can see that this is the MAC address which we need to configure there. And one another way we can get it from the switch, we can also get the same MAC address. So MAC address interface gigabit 0/1. So user is connected here, so we can get that same MAC address from here. If you want see this MAC address, we can learn from here. So we will copy that one. We will go in our here MAC address. Now we will change the format. So format will be we need to put colon colon and colon and colon. So MAC address is we have put the MAC address, user MAC address. Now like we will click on OK. So now we have created that MAC address space like one address. Now we will add this in policy. So we will go in policy. So here we have already like configure one ACL before. So it is in disable mode. We will use that one. So we will click here. So it is having everything. Here we will remove this source based. Now we will use the MAC base. So user MAC address we will select here. Okay, and now we have to enable this policy, and everything will be same. Like it will come from that source interface will be like interface zone. From there it is coming. Destination port will be port one, and then source MAC address, and this rest like destination and service we have allowed all as per our requirement. So like user machine MAC address is there. Based on that, it will access the internet. So we have click OK. Now our policy is configured and it is enabled. Now if we will try to access the we will try to ping. So ping is happening, and if we will try to access this internet, it will work. So if you will see the IP address of, if we will change that IP address and try to do the google.com, it will work as well. So let's do check that one as well. So we will go in setting, control network connection. We will go under this, and then property, and then we will go in network. Here we will change like user IP address 12. Okay, now we will close it. Now we will go again here. In this we'll do config all. Here you can see IP is changed now, but there is no issue with that google.com. We will able to access the google now as well. So if like we will try to open here, it will work. Same way, like if we will try to do ping the 8.8, it is pinging. So for that, it doesn't matter. Like if we will allow the MAC base, then it doesn't matter like what IP it is having. It will allow all the traffic for that one. So here we can see like traffic for that. So you can see that 12 traffic also initiated here. 12 traffic also initiated. Same way in the log as well. If you will try to see, so here you can see both log. Earlier it was having 11 IP. We change the IP and try to access. Now it is having this IP. But a MAC address, like it is how it is working. It is working based on the MAC address. So here we don't. If we will go in the under policy, we will check. So based on the MAC address, it is allowing the traffic. So that's it. If like you have another user as well, you can add in like you have to create one add MAC address of address, and you have to add here. So it will allow the same thing. So that's completed our this topic source MAC address based policy. And thank you for watching. If you want me to create any other video topic, please do comment, so we will create a topology for that one as well.